Welcome to Riverbend. Located in South Natick, Riverbend School is an independent Montessori school serving toddler through 8th grade students. At Riverbend, we bring you the best of Montessori education, focusing on the whole child. From toddlers through 8th grade, we nurture both academic excellence and social-emotional growth. Experience a truly individualized approach that cultivates independence and propels each child to reach their highest potential. Our hands-on, experiential learning empowers children to explore and discover their passions in a supportive environment. Our joyful, connected community is designed to engage the entire family with parent education workshops, fun family events, volunteer opportunities, and more. Discover our purpose-built environment with spaces to inspire and nurture your student. Our classrooms and materials are designed to foster curiosity and an intrinsic, lifelong love of learning. Riverbend School. Maximized learning, unlimited potential. Visit riverbendschool.org to learn more and schedule your on-campus visit today.